If your plants keep struggling no matter what you do, the problem might not be your plants, it's your soil. These compost and soil tips can completely change your garden this spring. When your soil is healthy, everything changes. Plants grow faster, roots go deeper, and your garden becomes easier to maintain, even if you're just starting out. Most beginner gardeners focus on what to plant, but the real secret is what you plant into. Once you understand how soil and compost work together, you'll start seeing better results almost immediately. So let's start with the basics. Soil isn't just dirt. It's a living ecosystem filled with microorganisms that help break down nutrients and feed your plants naturally. Healthy soil has the perfect balance of air, water, and nutrients, allowing roots to grow freely and absorb everything they need. When your soil is right, you'll spend less time fixing problems and more time enjoying your garden. Before planting anything, you need to prepare your soil properly. Start by removing weeds and debris, since they compete with your plants for nutrients. Then, loosen the soil using a shovel or garden fork. This step is important because compacted soil blocks airflow and makes it difficult for roots to grow. Next, add about 2 to 3 inches of compost and mix it into the top layer of soil. This instantly improves both texture and fertility. What you're creating is a soft, nutrient-rich base where plants can thrive. Now let's talk about compost. Compost is essentially nature's way of recycling. Organic materials break down over time into a dark, nutrient-rich substance that feeds your soil. This process is powered by tiny organisms like bacteria and fungi. They transform everyday waste into valuable nutrients your plants can use. To make good compost, you need a balance of 2 things: greens and browns. Greens include food scraps and grass clippings, which provide nitrogen. Browns include dry leaves and cardboard, which provide carbon. Together, they create the perfect environment for decomposition. You can compost simple materials like fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, eggshells, and yard waste. But it's important to avoid meat, dairy, and oily foods, since they can attract pests and create unpleasant odors. Keeping your compost balanced and clean will help it break down faster and more effectively. One of the biggest advantages of compost is how it improves soil over time. No matter what type of soil you have, compost can make it better. If your soil is sandy, compost helps it retain moisture. If it's heavy clay, compost improves drainage and prevents compaction. Over time, your soil becomes rich, soft, and perfectly balanced for plant growth. Another important factor many beginners overlook is soil pH. This determines how easily plants can absorb nutrients. Even if your soil has nutrients, plants won't be able to use them if the pH is off. Most plants prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil. You can test your soil using a simple kit, and if needed, adjust it by adding compost or lime. Now let's quickly go over some common mistakes. Overwatering is one of the biggest issues. Too much water can suffocate roots and weaken your plants. Another mistake is using unfinished compost, which can actually harm your garden instead of helping it. The key is balance. Healthy soil doesn't happen overnight, but small, consistent improvements make a huge difference. If you want even better results, try adding mulch to your garden beds. Mulch helps retain moisture, regulate temperature, and reduce weeds. Also, water deeply but less often, so roots grow stronger and deeper. And rotating crops each season helps keep your soil healthy long-term. At the end of the day, healthy soil is the foundation of every successful garden. When you focus on building your soil first, everything else becomes easier. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the process as your garden grows. If you found this helpful, save this video, share it with someone starting their garden, and keep learning simple techniques that make a real difference.